Assalamu alaikum dear friends, this is Muhammad Akram Khoso. As you all know that we have our YouTube channel, namely Muhammad Akram, where we upload informative videos regarding IR, history, current affairs and world map. And today this lecture is also from the world map series, and our topic is the political map of the United States of America. So for the first time we are going to have the USA map. In our previous videos we had lectures, we had videos on the map of Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Australia. So it is the first time we are going to have the map of the USA, and this video will benefit you a lot, particularly if you are the aspirant of CSS or PMS, because there is the USA influence in the world politics, in world affairs, because of it is in fact the world's most powerful country. And this video is particularly for those who are the aspirants of CSS and PMS and they have opted US history as their optional subject, right? So let's start the political map of the USA. There are 50 states of the USA. We will try to have their maps and their names as well, right? But one thing I must mention, that it is always difficult to have the exact map of any area or of any country, but we will try our level best in this video so that we must remain accurate, right? As I said, that it is always difficult to have the exact map of any area or of any country, but we are trying our level best, again I would say. So we will also try to have their names, right? So you must wait for that. We will have the names of these all states, right? Firstly, let me have the maps of these all US states. As I said, it is always difficult to have the exact map of any area, but we are trying hard to remain accurate. There are 50 states. It is the main land of the USA, right? But there are 48 states. The two, Alaska and Hawaii, they are not connected geographically with the main land of the USA. It is so difficult, in fact. I would say it's so difficult, but not impossible. So here are, this one is a Lake Norris state. So these are 48 states here, and there is Alaska. It is in fact located to the northwestern part of the of Canada. Alaska is located to the northwestern side of Canada, and this is Hawaii. It is in fact in the Pacific Ocean. So these two are geographically not connected with the mainland of the USA. So there are 40 states in the US, right? The location of the US is to the north of the USA. There is Canada, and in fact the boundary is called 49 parallel line, and this is the world's biggest boundary between any two countries, in fact. And there are 5 lakes, we call them 5 great lakes as well, on the boundary of Canada and the USA. There's Lake Superior, the world's biggest fresh water lake, Lake Michigan, Lake Erie, Lake Huron, and Lake Ontario. And to the south of the USA, there is Mexico, and there is the Gulf of Mexico. To the east, there is the Atlantic Ocean, and to the west, the Pacific Ocean. Now we will try to have, I will just pronounce the names of these all states. I will put the numbers here, and you should write down their names. Number 1, it is Washington. Listen, Washington is the USA state to the northwestern part of the USA, and Washington DC is its city and capital to the eastern part of the USA. So Washington DC is USA's city and capital, and Washington only is USA's state. So it is Washington. Number 2, Oregon. Number 3, California. California is the largest US state in terms of population, and its main cities are Los Angeles, San Francisco, Berkeley. Number 4, Nevada. 5, Montana. 6, Idaho. 7, Wyoming. 8, Utah. 9, Colorado. 10, Arizona. 11, New Mexico. 12, North Dakota. 13, South Dakota. 14, Nebraska. 15, it is Kansas. And 16, it is Oklahoma. 17, Texas. 18, Minnesota. 19, Wisconsin. 20, Iowa. 21, Illinois. 21, it is Illinois, where there is Chicago. 22, it is Indiana. 23, Missouri. 24, Arkansas. 25, this one is Louisiana, right? And this one is 26, it is Mississippi. 27, Alabama. 28, Georgia. 29, Florida. And there's Miami, right? And there is the famous Triangle of Bermuda Triangle. And 30, it is South Carolina. 31, North Carolina. 32, Tennessee. 33, it is Kentucky. And 34, Ohio. 35, Michigan, right? And there is 36, it is Western Virginia. And 37, it is Virginia. 37, Virginia, and 36, West Virginia. I think, if I'm not wrong, in 37, Virginia, there is the headquarters of CIA. In 38, it is Maryland. 39, Delaware. 40, it is Pennsylvania. And 41, New Jersey. 42, it is New York, right? So it is New York. 42, New York is a state, and there is New York City inside the state, right? And where is Washington DC? I said 37, it is Virginia. 38, it is Maryland. So between Virginia and Maryland, there's Washington. In fact, capital of every country in the world is not considered inside any province or state. It is a separate territory, in fact. So if you are asked where is Islamabad, whether it is in Punjab, Sindh, KPK, or Balochistan, no, it is nowhere in any province of Pakistan. Islamabad is a separate territory. So Washington DC is between between Maryland and Virginia. And 42, this is New York, and this is New York City here, right? It is 43, Vermont. 44, New Hampshire. and 45 it is Maine. There are 3 states. This one is called Massachusetts, right? It is 46. University of Harvard is also there, and 47 this one is Rhode Island, and 48 it is Connecticut, right? So in this mainland of the USA, these are the 48 states of the US, right? And 49 this one is Alaska, the largest USA state in terms of area, and 50 it is what it is Hawaii. Honolulu is major city, and Pearl Harbor during the Second World War in 1941 it was attacked by the Japanese armed forces, right? So geographically Alaska and Hawaii, they both are not connected with the US's mainland. In fact, Alaska is to the northwestern part of Canada, and Hawaii is located in the Pacific Ocean. This is what we have, the political map of the USA. These are the 50 USA states. You know, when there was civil war in the US, when the Abraham Lincoln was there in 1861 to 65, so Confederate states, 7 major states, they started a war against the other USA states, and we call them Confederate states. They wanted to have liberation or separation, and they are now 31. It is South Carolina, then there is 30 South Carolina, and this is Georgia, Florida, Alabama, and Mississippi and Louisiana. They led the war. In fact, in civil war they were quite dominant there, right? So you know, there are if you look at the map of the USA, there are 50 stars in the rectangle below color, and 50 stars, they represent, every star represents every state, right? And there are 13 staples horizontal lines in the USA flag which represent the 13 initial states which made the USA, right? This is what we have regarding the political map of the USA. So we will have another video. Till that, Allah Hafiz.